Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. During the virus period, strengthen your immune system with healthy plant foods. As the coronavirus, COVID-19, has impacted communities around the world, many people have wondered if there are steps they can take to stay healthy. Daily preventive measures such as hand washing, avoiding contact with sick people, and practicing good hygiene can go a long way in reducing the risk of contracting viruses, bacteria and other pathogens. In addition, there is evidence that nutrition and other lifestyle interventions affect immune strength and susceptibility to infectious diseases. Whether these measures will affect susceptibility to COVID-19 or its clinical course remains to be seen. However, there is every reason to use what we know about food and immune defenses. Here's what we know now. Diet. Eating a low-fat, plant-based diet can help strengthen the immune system. The immune system relies on white blood cells to produce antibodies to fight off bacteria, viruses, and other invaders. It has been shown that vegetarians have more efficient white blood cells than non-vegetarians due to their high vitamin intake and low-fat intake. A low-fat diet can also be protective. Studies have shown that limiting dietary fat helps to strengthen immune defenses. Research also shows that oil can interfere with white blood cell function and that a high-fat diet can alter the gut microbiota, which can help strengthen immunity. Maintaining a healthy weight can also benefit the immune system. Obesity has been linked to an increased risk of getting the flu and other infections such as pneumonia. Plant-based diets are effective for weight loss because they are rich in fiber, which helps you feel full without adding extra calories. Fiber can also lower BMI, which is associated with improved immunity. Plant-based diets have also been shown to reduce inflammatory biomarkers. Vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. Research has shown that fruits and vegetables contain nutrients such as beta-carotene, vitamin C, and vitamin E that can boost immune function. Since many vegetables, fruits, and other plant foods are also rich in antioxidants, they help reduce oxidative stress. Sleep. Our body needs sleep to rest and recuperate. Without enough sleep, we increase the risk of developing serious health problems such as heart disease, Alzheimer's disease, and obesity. Lack of sleep has also been linked to suppressed immune function. One study found that those who sleep less than 5 hours a night were more likely to have had a recent cold compared to those who sleep more. Need help falling asleep? Try adding healthy fruits, vegetables, grains, and beans to your diet. One study found that diets high in fiber and low in saturated fat can lead to deeper and more restorative sleep. Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.